In this video, I'll show you how to connect Claude to Google Drive. First, sign into your Claude account and open a new chat. Next, look for the option to connect apps or add files. Depending on your version of Claude, you may see a Google Drive option directly in the attachment menu. After that, select Google Drive and sign into the Google account that contains the files you want to access. Now, review the permissions that Claude requests and click Allow to authorize the connection. This gives Claude access to the files you choose from your Google Drive. Next, wait for the connection to complete. Once connected, you'll be able to browse your Google Drive files directly from Claude. After that, select a document, spreadsheet, PDF, or other supported file that you want Claude to analyze. Now, ask Claude questions about the file, request a summary, extract key information, or have it explain specific sections of the document. Finally, continue using Google Drive files within your chats whenever you need Claude's help with research, analysis, writing, or document review. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Claude to Google Drive. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.